But I say yes. See me be no here no back is when what ya na cho. How can you tell me this? Like somebody, how could I, like when I say this, if not for the weight of office and for what we have come to represent today, I should use more stringent words against these people. Because what they are doing is to try to redefine the face of an entire people.
What do you recommend? We've been speaking about the problem.
Good.
What is your recommendation?
What I recommend?
What do you prescribe?
Good. Now, what I prescribe is quite simple, but also painstaking and maybe very...
Should the struggle be abandoned? Should the whole stuff...
There is no struggle. It says, should the killing be stopped? Let's stop cloaking this thing. What struggle? What you talking about? Should the killing be stopped? Yes. When you talk about struggle, you talk about people going to the streets and raising placards. How many times have you seen these people going to the streets and raising placards? You see them looking so ferocious, and the people they have recruited were the dregs of our population, the dregs of Igbo, hideous criminals. You went to Imo State, you broke through the prisons, brought out very condemned prisoners, empowered them, and they started going rampant. Please. You see, when I say these things, I don't say these things from, it didn't get to Ngopal. Thank God, maybe Ngopal is the tableland. And we don't have by our topology or topography rather, that kind of thing cannot survive in our area. You get it? But I have a friend from Owidemili. That was my second home. This guy was he's my best friend. So I remember 2015, 2016, we could just from Waka here drive through Mbosi, enter Iseke, Bata Owidemili. We stay there. From there, we come back. And from 2020 up until the mom died in 2022, we couldn't go for the mom's burial. Mama ya hota. Nde bole ya bulofula no munni ya bole ya. Kampung ka boya. And the guy happened then to be in the APC. When Koje in the APC then Buhari was the president then. So when he Osibanjo meeting, the guy went there. He posted the photo of Yana Osibanjo na Facebook. His own cousin called him and said, "Enough for no join go the zoo." Ya upuka photo before jeba be hoko. Obro fulani bole ya. When his own cousin, who is himself knows, I'm sure Ebono Kitana, he's answering the call of God. I'm telling you about Owidemili. My friend Izu's mother died 2022. We couldn't go for the burial. Dad died 2 years ago. We couldn't go for the burial. Izu couldn't step a foot. Izu, since 2020, Izu has not stepped a foot in his father's compound because he's been threatened by his own kinsmen in Owidemili.